Bob Bashara takes the witness stand, all in an effort to get a new trial.
The convicted killer claims his lawyers were not effective during his first trial and wants another shot at proving his innocence. 7 Action News reporter Kimberly Craig was inside the courtroom as he tried to rationalize his request. And Kim, was Bashara making a compelling case, or was the judge buying it?
Well, you know what? In my layman eyes, no, he is not making a compelling case. But that decision will, of course, be up to Judge Vonda Evans. And some of the best questions today came from the bench.
Robert Michael Bashara, Sr.
From Grosse Pointe Park to life in prison for the murder of his wife. But today, Bob Bashara must have figured he had nothing to lose by getting on the stand in an effort to get a new trial, claiming his trial attorneys made a number of errors, including failing to properly question some witnesses.
Had that been brought out by my attorneys, it would have minimized this idea that I was grooming Mr. Gentz or conspiring with him to kill my wife.
Bashara says his trial lawyers also refused to ask for a change of venue. He says he needed one because local news outlets were reporting the fact that he failed a lie detector test.
Because of the pollution and the poisoning of the people of the region by law enforcement and through the media. I had no desire to be in Wayne County or southeastern Michigan. I expressed that, and I was shut down.
Bashara claims he and his wife had an understanding that he could see other women because they both had health issues, but he did not consider an active BDSM life and having at least one mistress to be cheating.
Well, I'm a hot-blooded 40-plus-year-old male.
But I thought you said you were sick.
No,
that you couldn't do all of this stuff.
I had diabetes and high blood pressure.
But you still was hot-blooded.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
And I did have erectile dysfunction, but it doesn't mean, and I don't know how familiar you are with
I'm not.
Well, I am.
And when police began investigating Jane's murder, Bob Bashara hid the fact that he was deeply involved with his mistress, Rachel Gillette.
I didn't consider it to be an affair.
What more would you have to do to make it an affair?
Ma'am.
No, judge.
The absolute basis of that relationship was as a master-slave.
And the hearing resumes tomorrow at 1 o'clock with Bob Bashara back on the stand. And Action News will be there. Reporting live in downtown Detroit, Kimberly Craig, 7 Action News.
A lot of people will be watching, too. Thank you, Kim.